Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Microsoft.NET framework error, then we have the following solutions. The first one is to download the Microsoft.NET framework repair tool. So we go to the browser and we search for Microsoft.NET framework repair tool. There you go. And we download this from the official website. Download. It should take very short time to download. Open the file. Yes. Accept the terms. Next. Next. And finish. And your .NET framework has been repaired. The second thing we need to do is we need to enable the .NET framework. So we will look for turn features on and off. So turn Microsoft features on and off. Click on this. And we need to look at where the .network folder is. Expand it. Check both windows. Expand. Both the windows are checked. Click OK. And let Windows download the files for you. Restart the computer and this error should no longer be a problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the day.